Hey everybody, what's up? It's Emily here at Curbside Herbs. We're going to give you an update on our apple tree branches. February 3rd we did a post about how we pruned some of our apple trees, and we took those clippings and we put them in willow water to see if we could propagate them. We did the willow water where we took about this much of the top of the willow tree branches. You want to get the newest growth, and we chopped them up very fine and then put them in my KitchenAid mixer. KitchenAid blender. Put them in the KitchenAid blender, and we blended them to a pulp, and then we added them to water. We put them in old pasta jars with lids, and we just kind of shook it to get it all mixed up, and then we and tree stems in them. So I'll turn the camera around and I'll do a quick update so you guys can see the magic that is happening here. As you can see, our very lovely branches that we have here in our willow water, you can see here the willow tree branches, and every once in a while you have to shake it up a little bit. But to show you that what you see here and what you see over here, that's all new growth. That's new growth as well. Sorry, my oven is going off. I was having it heat up to 200 degrees because we were going to be cooking potting soil to sterilize it, but I will do that video. I'll make a video of that at a later date. But anyway, and you can see over here too, that little bit of green, that is all new growth starting from February 23rd when we started these in the water you see here, in the willow water. And so they seem to be doing very well. They're growing, they're healthy. So we're going to leave them in the willow water for another couple of weeks, and we'll see what happens. We will keep you all posted on all of this, and we will keep you posted on how much they're growing, and we'll be back soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about how to do any of this, please feel free to let us know. And as I said, right here, that's all new growth. And you can see up here how big that leaf is, or going to be. That's new growth from when we clipped these and put them in the willow water. Well, have a great evening. Bye.